Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. It's Friday, March the 10th. Yeah, Friday, March the 10th. Yeah, 10 minutes, 11 minutes past 6 a.m. in the morning. Get up early, viewers and sub. Maybe are upper retreat people. Right where the road, the whole pavement did stop. You remember last year when the big... Yeah, morning. You remember when the big controversy did that go on? Well, big super. I'm going to show you, say, yesterday afternoon, the people them where work on the road come through. And I tell you, them so far, them a do a good job. So I go walk. Me dey upper retreat. I go walk and take a look on the road people. So stick and stay. You see a lady passing on the vehicle here, you know? I hear the blogger. Stick and stay people and follow Big Super. So my peeps, we dey upper retreat where that take 3 years to complete. Well, it take less than 3 months right now since the year start to complete it. Yeah, the road look good so far. Never walk on it and make you guys see it. It's a good look. Upper retreat get a facelift. Yeah man, smooth piece of road going back down to lower retreat. So the equipment them there, work equipment and they park up to continue the work. Good morning, nice lady. I'm not looking at you. How are you this morning? What do you have to say about your life? Don't like it? You have no comment. Alright, no problem. You're entitled to that. Yeah man, so the viewers and sub, as you can see, the road down to the bridge is looking good. Now a lot of people now in my inbox are complaining and I say, Big Super, what happened to the sidewalk? What happened to the drainage? And what happened to the gully? Well, I get to understand that is in the making. But because of the first set of team where did I do it, never really complete it in order to alleviate the dust nuisance. Then decide that they have to do the road. They have to do the road also good first, and then them take on the completion of the sidewalk, the drainage and the gully. But me and you guys know that that's supposed to come first. So anyhow, my viewers and sub, them I do the work. The work people them now we take over the road or we manage the road. Seems to manage it in a better way than the set before. Because now you can definitely see work are going on the road. You can't see work are going on the road. And we don't know if now get anybody to talk to this morning to find out exactly what's going on. Because I get up early this morning because I passed last night. I'm see the man in my pave all the night and thing. And so them man are serious. The viewers and sub. The vehicle speedy there now. Them man are serious. Some of them are upper retreat. And if you're familiar with St. Thomas, upper retreat is before you reach Prospect. After you come past the hospital, past Lyson, past Johnson crossing, Johnstown crossing, and then you come up to lower retreat, and then you come to upper retreat. So you see the work I go on the viewers and sub, and then I make that trencher and think we carry the water come straight down behind the gully, behind the bridge, and then go underneath the bridge. So We was on some vehicle around on the bridge in a smooth sailing. I know me all get to stop any at the taxi man them and ask them opinion. But me will walk out the distance of the bridge up a retreat. I will walk out the section of them pave that you can see, because when me that talk with the contractors them, when them they just start, them say them have take it in a 3 phases, because you still have some length of road when not complete. But it seems like them deal with the phases them, which part them have the pipes them underground together and get them phases out of the way. So me see them busy now at work. Upon the phases them where them have underground issues, where them have major drainage issues and sidewalk issues. So them get that section out of the way. So it means I assume it means the drainage, the pipe and the gully on this section basically out of the way. So I just a sidewalk, the white line and the sign them was to go in. So my viewers and sub get up early this morning because I really decided to have to make a walk on the road there. The dust did I give them people that were living in the community a warm time. And if them not get no other alleviation, at least the dust nuisance must alleviate. So I walk go down to where it stop, and then I will take a walk and go back up to where I started. So my viewers and sub, Big Super is out on the road here, and where I take a walk on the road and we are look at the newly paved section Upper Retreat. Yeah, the newly paved section in Upper Retreat. We're looking at it. Yeah man, and we can't seem to find nobody to spend up 2 minutes with me and talk. Everybody fly out now. Everybody, you see them a drive out on the road. I'm just a warn the public now. See, they're overtaking there already. We don't have to take time on the road. But I broke on the neck now. Trying to get one little piece of street road. You understand me? So nobody try to reach a Marant Bay now in a 5 minutes. So when you use half an hour, when you use to take. You understand? So if you was on some morning, the road look good. Not to no lie. The dust in the area of Upper Retreat supposed to cut enormously. Because the dust is sick of, especially all the kids that we have all as man all them here. Me don't know how them cope with the dust news, and trust me. And thing, the gully, the sidewalk, the underground pipe, and all this stuff have to go complete. Morning. How the road looks so far? It's a good look. Alright, blessings. So I come right at the end of it. Alright, where them start. I'm going to go back up on a section of retreat and make you guys see. Yeah, retreat, Upper Retreat. Looking good, my viewers are so. Big Super is on the ground. Early in the morning, before even cock crow. They're out for Upper Retreat. The road look excellent. The vehicle them are moved with urgency, and we did have to come out because we see it last night and go on and couldn't manage it in the darkness there. People them where work on the road, them work. You know, me like how the new set of workman them now. Them come out by 7 o'clock, then they on the road, you know. I'm surprised when I come out to this morning and I don't see them because they come out early. You understand me? And them are some Chinese folks where seem to supervise the thing and them have them thing coordinate. You know them way there? Everybody at work as according to plan. And them look like they mean business. My viewers and sub, trust me. Them look like they mean business. So them at work with urgency and them at work nice and decent. And see the people, see the brand new road in a upper retreat. Brand new. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. The dust to the community. Upper retreat, Alexandra. Yeah, the dust to the community. Trust me, it really cut down, and it make so much of a difference. To see this piece of road here paved, because trust me, why me I tell you, 3-4 years of this year. Not normal, you know. You know, much production hours that side of St.Thomas I lose. Just to see what's there. Sweet road there now, you know. Some man overtake. Man overtaking out there. Watch there. You see that people? Sweet road. Some man overtake. And that me worry about you now, you know. That you have to worry about now, you know. The man them say sweet road. For them go easy. Them have no reason now for you go hard, you know. Because you cannot take your time. Same speed. Yeah, that's 25 miles an hour. 30, 40 kilometers and reach where you reach. But boy, me I tell you that. So, the viewers and sub, we're up on the bridge. Yeah, big super. There, right at the bridge. And me I tell you, the overtaking, it don't look like it ought to stop anytime soon. But we don't tell the public, we don't say we have to move speedily, but try to move carefully, not just speedily. Try to drive careful on the road. Yeah. The riders them will ride without helmet. They are beg on to take it easy. Take it easy on the road. Remember, it's a brand new road and thing. And you know, have to drive with care, ride with care and thing. And remember, sometimes in life you save maybe your own. Yeah. So just take it easy on the road, my viewers and stuff. Upper retreat is looking good. Out here bright and early, giving you an update on the community. Upper retreat. Yeah, my viewers, look on it. Beautiful, 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 beautiful road. My viewers and subscribers. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, at the intersection at Upper Retreat. Yeah, my viewers and sub. So, I walk the kilo. I walk go down where them start and where the asphalt didn't stop. See the equipment them there. And them up on the ground. Yeah, that sign there. That sign there. Yeah. That sign there blow down. So I never take it up. Never take up the sign. I see me can lean it up. The viewers and sub. Or the sign. Whoa. The sign. Oh. The sign blow down. But I don't know how I'm going to catch it up. The viewers and sub. Big super knows it's going to blow back down. You know it's going to blow back down still. It turn all upside down. It turn all upside down. But let me turn it over there. Whoa! This line drop back down. Yeah, so the road look good. So far so good. The dust. Yes daddy, morning. Yeah, you want to say anything about the new road and thing? It's a good look. Over 3 years, you know, we are waiting for this. And yeah, morning, and we take little less than 3 months and start to see some sign of improvement. So it's a good look. We welcome it. St. Thomas and the dust did I mash up the whole up here. Yeah. Unbearable. It really did unbearable. So me really have to come this morning, come update me, my viewers and my subscribers. My name Big Super. I'm a walk St. Thomas Road, you know, and thing I highlight my parish. So bless up yourself and have yourself a wonderful morning, alright? Yeah, my viewers and subs. So, it's me talk to a gentleman. And for real, everybody appreciate the real upcoming of the road. I remember this road at the A4 road, at the road that link Portland, Kingston and St. Thomas, 3 parishes really, the East Belt. So you can't have the road there down for too long. Like having this road down means you're going to have production down. So my viewers and sub, Big Super going to bring the blog to an end. So remember to like, share, remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. Remember, donate to my channel, you know, and keep my channel going. And thing, do what you can do, $5, $10, anything, WhatsApp me. You understand me? I say call me and chat with me, inbox me. Big Super, Upper Retreat, Alexandria. Peace out.